family members are supportive to each other, take this condition as a collective effort, this problem can be solved. At the same time, going out on wheelchair for walks, trying to sleep or position the bed in a way that the body or the face is facing towards the window where you can see or observe outside activities. Simple activities like plucking leaves, making dough balls, sorting out objects, day-to-day basis. This will give them a sense of contribution in family. At the same time, will improve. All of this will help an individual to overcome the social isolation that he or she will be experiencing. And now, stroke affect individuals who are working professionals. This directly have an economical impact to the family. Since they are not able to go back to their work long period of time, they have to give away on their jobs. Even sometimes the caregiver have to give up on their jobs just because the stroke survivor is dependent on the caregiver. All of this have an impact on the social and economical state of the family. These challenges leads to a lot of emotional and mental barriers, eventually affecting the recovery from stroke. So what is the solution to this problem? Well, there's no direct solution to this problem, but having a silver lining helps. What is silver lining? It's a mindset shift that one can have towards stroke. Having a mindset that stroke is not the end of the life, but is a second chance in the life can help an individual to have a very different perspective towards stroke recovery. Stroke recovery time is also the time to count on the blessings that the individual is having. Caregivers should definitely think and have this perspective that this is the time to take care of their loved ones. This is the time to give back to their loved ones. This is the time to give back to the family. This will help the caregiver to overcome the emotional baggage and the challenges that he or she might suffer. The time when the stroke survivor is recovering is the time of test for the entire family. At this time, if the family sticks together with each other, can overcome this entire situation beautifully. Being open to a new lifestyle and discovering a new lifestyle is the key to have a better satisfaction rate and better outcomes when it comes to stroke recovery. Definitely, when a stroke survivor suffers from stroke, for him and for the caregiver, there will be a shift in the role, and it's very important to accept this shift. If a stroke survivor and caregiver is not able to accept the situation altogether and is not able to accept the shift in the role that's going to come, this is going to be a challenge for a very long time and will be a very big roadblock to recovery. Hence, it's very important to have and come to the place of acceptance. I know there will be times where there will be plateau stage where a stroke survivor might not observe a good recovery. At that time, staying hopeful with the help of prayers is very magical. Praying daily, journaling can help an individual to overcome the emotional challenges that an individual can go through. So, whoever are your neighbors, your family members, your extended family can be a very big contributor in the recovery process. The more they communicate, the more they come along and try to spend time with a stroke survivor and caregiver gives a lot of positive influence and impact in the recovery process. The bottom line is, stroke is not just one person's problem. It's a problem that the entire family has to cope up with. And more the families together in this, the better would be the outcome. Seeking right help from the right people at right time is equally important. So don't hesitate.